Hello Fly Babies, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and there are 3 things for us to do today. 3. Routines, basic weekly plan, and zones, like every other day. So the first thing you're going to do is your routines by getting up before the family and doing your basic routine. This is going to cover your bedroom, your bathroom, and your kitchen. You're going to be all done. Then we're going to put our kids through their routines, and when they're done, their bedrooms, their bathroom, and their kitchen work or jobs or food or whatever is going to be all done. Isn't that great? Then when you go to work, if you work, or if you go off about your day, if you're an at-home fly baby, then you're going to have that confidence, that background, that foundation of morning routines being done. Now, if you're working and you get to work, I want you to open up your control journal when you get there after you've said hello to everyone and you get yourself a cup of coffee or a glass of water, whatever you're taking to your nice clean desk. Open your control journal and follow your steps. This way you'll be able to enjoy your breaks and your lunch because you won't be doing those last-minute crunch jobs because you will have figured them into your daily schedule and you'll do a better job at it. So do take your breaks, do take your lunches. I know that there are occasions when you just can't, and I've worked through many lunches and many breaks, but it's not a good thing. And having a control journal will change everything, I promise. If you don't have one, you don't know how to make one, go to my payroll control journal video under my playlists for control journals and make yourself one. It's something you make for yourself based on your business. I'll show you mine. Here it is. This is my control journal for my business here at the house. So inside you'll see some correspondence I need to take care of, my daily things that I do, and then over here I have January, and in January I have the weekly things that I do, okay, and then behind that I have a page for my accomplishments. I don't know if you can see accomplishments, right? And I have a page for my stats. And I have a page for my correspondence. So that's what I have in my book. And my weekly jobs, right now I just have weekly, but I will have monthly. Actually, I do have monthly, I just haven't put them in here yet because I'm writing a book. So I want to have that taken care of as well. So that's my control journal. And I use it in conjunction with my planner. My planner has my home and personal things in it, and this has my business things in it. So I hope that makes you kind of get an idea of what to do. This is just a simple 3-ring binder. I have some page protectors in here. Yep. See, back there. I've got some notebook paper and I've got some dividers. So my dividers have January through December, and then besides that I have things like book, YouTube, Patreon, all in here. So just to give you an idea, that's the kind of thing you make up for yourself and you follow it every day. So payroll fly babies, once you've done that, then you're going to go on your lunch hour, your break, and you're going to think about what we're doing today, which is Thursday. So it's errand day. You can't buy groceries, but you can certainly order them to be picked up or delivered. That's an option for most people. You may be one who doesn't have that option, then I would suggest delegating. If not, you're going to do it on Saturday. Unless you have a lot of time at the end of the day or a lot of energy at the end of the day, and it won't take away from your family and you want to go grocery shopping on your way home. I know some people do that. I was never one of those people. Okay, the other thing we're going to talk about is our basic weekly plan. If you haven't done it, delegate it. If you have done it, great. If someone else has done it, even better. Remember, these are not perfectionist jobs. These are just little jobs that we do. 6 little jobs, 10 minutes each. So if you can't delegate it for whatever reason, then do one today when you get home. So when you go home, start your dinner. Well, first start your laundry. Listen for it, because you got to put it in the dryer, fold it, and put it away. That's all part of it. Go through an inch of your paperwork if you still have clutter. If you've been doing this every single day, you've been going through inch after inch, foot after foot, before long you won't have any paper clutter, provided you make sure that when your paper comes into the house, you declutter it immediately. When you get mail in, throw the trash away. Put the action in the action file, the file in the action file. Easy. Easy peasy. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is start dinner. Once your dinner is simmering on the stove or sitting in the oven or sitting in the crock pot or in the Instant Pot holding or whatever, you're going to go do your 10 minutes of your weekly home blessing hour. If you haven't brought yourself to the fact that you can and should delegate to older children or spouses, then you'll have to do it yourself. And the other thing is, or you don't have anybody to delegate to. The other thing is you're going to do that living room today. This is the last day in the living room, so if it's cluttered, spend 15 minutes decluttering, and then you have to put away, throw away, give away, another 2-minute job at the end. If there's no clutter, then pick one thing you want to deep clean in there, and you're going to be back around to this at the end of next month. But this is the end of the month for the living room. Okay, have you vacuumed wall to wall in there? Have you mopped it? You know, if it's a hardwood floor? Those are some of the things you can do, which are a little 10-minute job if you're just doing that one thing. All right, that's it for you. Let's go over to the at-home Flybabies, and then we'll join together at dinner. So at-home Flybabies, you've done your morning routine. The kids are off to school, or you're doing their morning projects with them, or you're doing homeschooling with them, whatever it is. But you've got 2 more things to do. The basic weekly plan, which is errand day. So you're going to go buy your groceries. You've got your list. You've got your budget. Pack up the babies, and let's go. That's going to happen next. You don't leave that house until the morning routine is done, but when it's done, then you're going to pack up the babies and go get groceries. Come back and put them away. You want to get this done early. You're still going to have time to work for 10 to 15 minutes in your living room doing the zone, right? Okay, either decluttering or cleaning, one thing. And then that's it. You're done for the day, except for your after dinner routine. So let's all come together at after dinner routine. We've had dinner. It's time to clean up the kitchen. So somebody's going to sweep, somebody's going to wipe the counter, somebody's going to put the dishes in the dishwasher or hand wash the dishes. Someone's going to wipe the table off. Someone's going to wipe the baby's high chair off, whatever. All those little jobs are going to be done by the family, not just one person. And you're not going to leave the room either. You're going to stay there too and do your part. You're going to set the tone for the family. And if you don't have a family, then you're going to do the whole thing, but you're only cleaning for one person. If there are 5 people in your family and there's just one you, why are you cleaning for 5 people when every person there who's able to walk and carry a dish can help clean? And you're giving them autonomy. You're teaching them how to grow up. At a child's level, don't expect adult behavior from a child. Just don't. Okay, that's when your mama used to say to you, "What's wrong with you?" Well, I'm a kid. That's what's wrong with me. And that's what's wrong with your kids. There's nothing wrong with them. They're kids. Just ask them to do one little thing. Inspect what you expect. Give them lots of praise, lots of love. This is their childhood. All right, next, we're going to do a before bed routine. If you're exhausted, please, girl, go take care of yourself first. If you're not exhausted, then go ahead and put the kids through their before bed routines. And that includes making lunches for school, laying out your clothes for the next day, you know, whatever it is for your kids, and a book, right? You're going to read to them if they're little, or even if they're big, they might enjoy you reading to them. A chapter of a chapter book or a whole picture book. All right, that's it. Now we're done. You've gotten yourself ready for bed. You've looked at your planner. You can see what tomorrow holds. You've laid out the clothes that you want to wear tomorrow. It's a promise of a new day. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Have a fabulous day. And always remember that you are beautiful.